Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a keto friendly quesadilla. This has been on my menu all week. I think I had it 4 or 5 times and I am down another 2 pounds this week. So I'm not going to say it was because I ate these quesadillas, but the scale doesn't lie, so you be the judge. Not only is this recipe easy, it's also delicious. The main thing you have to take into consideration to make this keto friendly is the wrap that you're going to be using. I love these Ole Mexican wraps. I will link these wraps down in the description box and also the link to the full written recipe. If you guys are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you guys like recipe videos. For this recipe, you only need a handful of ingredients. You're going to need the wraps of your choice, ground beef, some chopped onion, some hamburger pickles, cheese of your choice. I am using American today. Don't come at me. I love my American cheese. Salt and pepper, yellow mustard, and today I'm using a low sugar ketchup by Heinz, my go-to. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a cast iron skillet, and I'm also going to be using my non-stick skillet. So to start off for this recipe, I'm just going to be heating up my cast iron skillet on high heat. I want this to get very, very hot. And I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into there just so that the meat has somewhere to cook and it doesn't stick. You could also use burger patties in this recipe. So once my skillet is nice and hot, I'm going to put the ground beef in there and then I'm going to use my spatula to flatten it out because I want to get a nice crust on this beef, and I feel that flattening it out and then not touching it, just letting it sit and letting it get nice and browned on the bottom is exactly what you need to do. So now I'm going to season this side with salt and then some cracked black pepper as well. And then you're going to let this sit and don't touch it until it gets that nice brown crust on the bottom. Okay, then you're going to season the other side with salt and pepper as well. So as soon as it's cooked through to your liking, I'm just going to take it and put it on a plate and let it just sit and rest. Then I'm going to grab my nonstick skillet and I'm going to take a little piece of butter and just butter the bottom so that the tortilla can get nice and browned. So we have the heat on medium. I'm going to add my cheese on top of my tortilla. So this recipe is for 2 quesadillas, so I'm just going to break my meat into 2 portions and then I'm going to put it on the quesadilla and then just break it up into a little bit smaller pieces so that it's evenly distributed on this side of the quesadilla. I want every bite to have the perfect bite. Now we're going to add in all the good stuff. Top it with the other slice of cheese, and then we're going to take that other side and just flip it right over. So once the bottom side has gotten browned, you just want to flip it right over. How delicious does that look? Nice and crispy. Oh, this is going to be so good. And then as soon as the other side gets browned, you are ready to go. This almost tastes like fast food. So if you are on a low carb or keto diet and you're craving some kind of fast food, try this recipe and I guarantee you will be satisfied. This is definitely one of my new favorites. So I hope you guys will try this one and let me know what you think. If you like recipe videos, definitely give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I have a lot more fun videos coming up for everybody. So with all of that said, I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye guys.